What are you doing, Nat?
I'm making cupcake.
What are the ingredients in making a cupcake?
I don't know. I forgot.
Oh no. Di ba meron kang ginawa, oh?
Just put the egg and make sure don't put the yellow thing. The circle. No, don't put the yellow circle. It's for to the other ball. Ah,
Just the white egg? Huh?
yes. Don't put the yellow circle because it's make it more disgusting.
Oh,
So
okay.
put it to another way, or it will turn to bluey. You're gonna make.
Sige, ikaw magano.
Steps in making cupcake by Nanat. I don't understand this, Nat.
Are you gonna upload it?
Yeah,
Sa
in your channel.
Sige na.
Eh?
Hawakan mo dito.
Let me get this. Then you have to shake it.
Sige na. Ganun mo naman.
Okay.
What's that? What are you doing?
I'm mixing it
And so that,
so that this will go in the pot. In! I said in.
okay. Careful, ha?
Okay.
Yan.
Oopsies.
Sige lang.
They're all going away.
Going down.
How can I put?
Ano mo?
Use two hands.
Okay. To make it. Ah!
Break it.
Why? But if it's get but what if
Okay lang.
Okay. Tissue.
why are we copying the ingredients? Oh no! Oh no!
Nag-shoot pa. Oh, dito. Mix mo.
Okay. That's not the dough. That is blue. That is bluey spot.
Nasa pang paagi.
Careful, ha? Mahulog yung bowl mo.
But yes, I want to put because I'm the chef. All of them.
Ah, sige.
Oh no. How can I put it back? Time to relax.
Oh, careful.
If everything is stuck.
Sige lang, buksan na.
I had the idea.
Not careful, ha?
Hey! No, guys. Don't. Ah!
Oh. Just keep mixing.
It's stuck. Use a spoon.
Hindi ito, matanggal yan pag may ano na may gatas.
Why that's that gatas or milk?
No. Yan na.
Oh. Now all of them is stuck.
It's okay. You don't have to use the spoon.
Why?
Mix mo na.
Just keep mixing.
Just keep speeding, don't stop speeding. Just keep speeding, don't stop speeding.
Yak. Sipon.
Just keep speeding, don't stop speeding.
Sige na.
What is the cupcake?
Ano gusto Prince?
Sinik ko na ng
May sipon ang ano, baker.
What baker?
You.
Because I'm the chef? What? Who's the baker?
You.
Baba.
And the guys, don't. I don't know.
Why are you making a cupcake?
Because I never make those before until I'm a kid. That's why I keep screaming and making me crazy.
What? What are you doing now, Nat?
I'm putting the dough to the bowl. That is for turn to pancake.
That's not pancake.
I thought this cup is pancake because they have the same sound of cake. Don't keep. That is the last one.
Be careful.
You know the video how I keep vomiting? Yes.
Why?
Don't think about that. Because video 1 and 2 are similar.
Okay, careful.
In video 3, I'm making the... I'm not done making the cupcake yet.
You're not yet done?
I'm gonna
So that's the finished cupcake?
add dessert.
Oh, may topping.
Oh, wow.
Tapos yun na.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Pilaw na to si Prince. Okay, done?
Not yet.
Enough na yan.
Well, that is the last dessert.
That's okay kasi yung mga ants pupunta dyan. Okay.
Not
Sige
yet
na.
done.
Not yet done?
Just the last one.
Meron pa ka, oh.
Where's the sprinkle?
Huwag na yun na. Expired na yun. Expired na.
Ah,
Yung sila ko na pwede yung sinabayan na.
I had the idea.
Na-idea pa siya.
Let me turn that to sprinkles.
May add pa din yan.
Doon pa.
Antik-antik na gid na.
Okay na? Tayo. Okay, I need to end the video now.
I I'm almost done.
Maghay na sa
Improvised sprinkles yan ah.
What tinkles?
Improvised because you don't have real sprinkles. Oh, say goodbye na to your to your viewers. This is the end of the video. Tell your viewers.
Goodbye, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And then no piano, cat. That's like every video.
Okay, bye.
Bye.